Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Come today guys, let's do this beautiful pixie cut without having to cut our hair. So I'm gonna start this tutorial on clean grease-free hair. You're gonna start by sectioning the hair into two parts. The top part, it's where you are going to do your pixie, and the back part, it is where you will tie your ponytail and hide it on the cornrows that you will do at the top. So you guys, please don't forget to give this video a huge beautiful thumbs up, and also comment on the comment section, and also to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn on the post notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So guys, you are going to go ahead and section your hair and tie your hair as I am doing right now. And yeah guys, my hair has grown guys, my hair has recovered. It was so damaged from the ponytails and installing the frontals that I've been installing, you guys. So I've survived. So you want to go ahead and take your soft and freestyling gel and apply it on the sides where you have tied your ponytail. This side, it is the side that people when people do their pixie cuts, this is the these are the sides that they cut down. I have invented a simpler way to do a pixie cut without having to cut your hair. So watch me as I educate you guys on how to achieve this look. So yeah guys, you're gonna go ahead and tie exactly as I have done, and then you take your comb and rearrange the hair exactly as I am doing, so that your ponytail looks neater. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and do your edges. With this one, with these edges, I'm doing like edges that will give an illusion that I have cut my hair and did a line. So you want to go ahead and draw a line with your comb, opening a pathway that will give an illusion that you've trimmed your hair into a line. You do the same on the other side, and then you want to go ahead and take your hair dryer. I prefer hot heat. It dries the styling gel quicker, or you can use medium heat if you are scared of hot heat. And yeah, never use cold heat. It takes time to dry the ponytail, the styling gel rather. So yeah, and then now you are done drying your hair. You want to go ahead and section out the hair that will cover the hair wefts that you are going to apply on your hair. So yeah guys, so this will act as our closure, if you know what I mean. But stay tuned to see what I mean. So you wanna section that out by plaiting it. Yeah, doing a cornrow, just a rough cornrow, because they are going to undo it anyway. So yeah guys, you go ahead and do that. Okay guys, you are going to go ahead and also braid the ponytail that you have tied, and then now the rest of the hairs that are left at the top are the ones that you're going to do your cornrows, your straight back cornrows, yeah. So you go ahead and do that. And then when you are done with the cornrows, you want to go ahead and pack them together exactly as I am doing, and then you take your needle and wool and then sew them down to secure them so that they don't get in the way when you actually start applying the bonding on your hair. So yeah guys, you want to go ahead and do that, sew the hair down. And also make sure when you sew the hair down, you lay it flat so that it doesn't make bumps. This will make it easy for you to actually get like your desired flat look. And then you untie the hair that you sectioned out to act as your closure, and then you take a paper towel and your black stocking, your black wig cap, and then put it on. I know this is weird and it looks wrong, but trust me guys, I am doing this step to protect my hair from glue, because I am going to be using glue for this tutorial. So this one is very important because it protects your hair from getting damaged by glue, because I'm going to be using a lot of hair wefts, and obviously a lot of hair wefts is equivalent to a lot of glue. So protect your hair by doing as I am doing. And then you want to go ahead and sew in right around where you did your cornrows, exactly as I am doing. You can sew in once, but for extra security I went ahead and sew in around 2. And then when you are done, you are going to cut the excess wig cap off. You just cut it off, and then you leave the part where you sew in the hair weft. Also cut the tissue, what do you call this, the paper towel as well. And then you want to come in with your bonding glue and a hair bundle. Make sure that the hair bundle that you use is 100% human hair, as we are going to use heat on the hair. This one I bought it at Dragon City, guys. Don't ask me about the name of the hair, because I've found it without a package. It didn't have a package, it was just a bundle laying there. They just called it human hair. So yeah guys, you apply glue on the hair wefts, wait for them to be tacky, and then you apply them, and then you come in with cold air to plaster it down to your hair. But when the glue is tacky, there is no need for the hair dryer when you wait for it to be nicely tacky. But if it's still a bit wet, obviously you have to use the hair dryer. So guys, first wefts I apply them I apply them in horizontally, and then the other ones I apply them vertically, exactly as I am doing right now. So yeah guys, you do the same. Before you actually apply glue on your hair wefts, you need to measure your hair wefts on the space that you have, and then cut and then apply glue and then put it on the side to be tacky. And then you do the same with the rest of the other ones, and then when you are done, then you stick in the hair exactly as I am doing, you guys. That's why I used the paper towel underneath and the wig cap. This is to protect my hair from glue. Glue, guys, is not that harmful, but you know, I'm using a lot of it today, so that's why I'm protecting my hair from the glue. And then now you do the closure part. I constantly check the back of my head by putting a mirror behind me, and yeah, this is how it looks, guys, before styling it. You want to go ahead and take your oil sheen to add some sheen on your hair, and then when you are done, you want to go ahead and cut on the sides. Make sure that you use your scissor or the razor. When you cut, don't cut like straight, just try and cut as if you are cutting with the razor. And then you put on your mousse or your foam for preparing your hair for styling. Mousse makes it easier to style your hair, so it's important to have mousse when you are about to curl your hair. And then now you curl your hair exactly as I am doing. So guys, I'm gonna be doing this process all around my hair. So yeah guys, I'm gonna stop explaining. You're just gonna have to watch what I am doing, because I'm basically doing the same thing all over the hair. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. But here at the front, I firstly started by in front I started by cutting some of the ends, and then curling the hair exactly as I am doing. So yeah, this is basically what you do. So yeah. After, when you're done curling your hair, you want to go ahead and style it by combing it. You don't comb through all the curls, you just comb around, and then you put on your holding spray to hold your style so that it doesn't get damaged. So, and then you add again oil sheen to add that extra sheen and shine. So yeah guys, this is how the end product looks. I am so obsessed with this hairstyle, you guys don't understand. Thank you so much for watching up until here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment and share my video, and let me know your thoughts about this hairstyle. And let me know also on the comment section what other content would you like to see on my channel, you guys. I'm gonna see you guys on the next coming one. I love you all. Stay blessed.